So today I want to share with you a very simple recipe to make claypot fish with soybean paste. This dish is so delicious. It's savory, it's warm, it's comforting, and it goes really well with a warm bowl of rice. And the best part is there are very minimal ingredients to this recipe. So let's get started. First, we're gonna prep the basic aromatics. Here I have garlic, roughly chop them, and set them aside. Shallots, roughly chop them up. Don't cut them too small as they may burn while cooking later in the clay pot. Okay. Ginger, cut them into thin slices. And set them aside. Here I have 500 grams of fish fillet. I'm using red snapper in this video, but you can use other types of fish as well, like sea bass or garupa. Just keep in mind that you need to clean the fish thoroughly. If you see any blood clots around the fish belly area, remove those blood clots, because it's gonna have this very fishy taste if you don't remove them. So now that all the ingredients are ready, let's start cooking. Heat up the clay pot. Once the clay pot is hot, add in some oil. And once the oil is hot, add in the garlic, shallots, and ginger. And then saute until fragrant. Next, I'm going to add taucu. This is a soybean paste. This sauce, this bean paste goes really well with fish, and we add it to a lot of savory dishes. It's going to add that umami savory flavor to this dish, and it's going to bring the whole dish together. Now, once the aromatics are fragrant, add about 2 teaspoons of this taucu sauce. Don't add too much as it's salty. And then saute until fragrant. So here you also need to add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. I forgot to add it while filming this video. It's going to balance the saltiness of the soybean paste. Once it's fragrant, we're just going to transfer this to a bowl. Then place the fish fillet in the clay pot. Place the fragrant sauce that we had just prepared on top of the fish. Then we're going to add some black soy sauce, some shaoxing wine, then cover the clay pot and let it cook on low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes up. Let's see how it's doing. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait to try this. Then garnish with some chilli and spring onions. For more exclusive and easy recipes, feel free to join my Patreon at patreon.com/RuyiAsianRecipes or my YouTube membership. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.